Little rain flight with the old Hubsan X4 Plus. Been going stir crazy just flying inside, so thought I'd give the old Hubsan a little rain flight while it's not raining too much. And this is a nicely all enclosed quad, so there's nothing really exposed to where the rain would even really matter. This is a good little rain flyer. Actually, I've flown it in the rain several times now in the last few weeks. This sure is a steady, smooth flyer. Doesn't have a quickness or the yaw that the original does, but man, is it a steady flyer. It's smooth. And in the rain, it's even funner because of not being able to fly anything. Go around the spout there. Yeah, a lot of people don't like how they changed the X4, but I like it. I think it's a fun quad. It's just not, you know, what everyone's used to. But that's what the old X4 is for. You know, now we have a couple different options of, you know, if you don't want to fly all crazy fast, you know, insane Hubsan original X4, you know, you can fly a real nice smooth one. Or an LBC there. LBC is pretty good on this, but I think we'll bring it in. Oh, it's been so long since I got a good outdoor flight. It's driving me crazy. All right. Hubsan X4 Plus rain flight. Thanks, guys.